Alright guys, this is a real short video to show you one of the possibilities of why your tire is wearing like this. As you can see, the inside of this tire is completely bald. And actually, it's about to go down to the cord. And the outside, it's got a lot of thread. Now, this vehicle is a 2011 Jeep Patriot. Now, what I'm going to do is shake the wheel and I'm going to show you what's going on. And what I want you to do is pay attention on the inside around here. See what's moving?
Oh, yeah. The ball joint moving up and down.
All right, so check this out, guys. This lower ball joint is moving. So what happens is, instead of this tire setting straight, that lower ball joint is worn. So the tire now is setting like that. So it's gonna wear out on this side. Now, check out the description below, and we got a video showing you how to replace that lower ball joint, all right? Any comments or questions, be sure to post them below in the comment section, or you can email me direct to tim@AstralAutoRepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, rewind this short little video. Take care.